Hi guys, welcome to my 2-Minute Tuesday No Fuss tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to pipe a beautiful coloured cupcake like this one using multiple icing colours in one piping bag. Once you've learnt this decorating trick, your world will open up and you'll broaden your icing colour horizons. Please give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful and subscribe to my channel. I'm also on Instagram and Facebook as Jillian the Foodie, so please follow me for super quick reels with helpful hints and inspiration. See you next time. Really?
Yeah, everything. That's it.